Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to pin tweets on your Twitter profile. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the profile. Choose the post you want to pin and tap on the three dots icon. Now tap on the Pin to Profile option. Then tap on the pin. And you will pin tweets on your profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to pin tweets on your Twitter profile. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.